September isn't far away. The ban will be uplifted. You can play freely. What will be your approach?
As you asked the question, I am going to tell you, I will play this season, first class, and I will be there as one of the top wicket takers, not just in the country. Maybe when it comes to first class, to have a great future, you should use the time wisely. So we prepare for the worst, but expect the best.
But eventually, you became one of the greatest fast bowlers India has ever
I
produced.
don't know. Suddenly I just decided that I want to bowl faster than my brother. Anybody who's fast, medium pace. So I remember just lifting the hand, full excitement. Hard luck, Misbah. Not bad. 2009, you could win because I didn't play.
So let me give you a stat. As much as I remember, you took only 14 test matches to scalp 50 test wickets, and dominating in the red ball cricket is
Wow.
amazing. Now let me give you another stat since you say wow. The first person who has taken the least number of games is Jasprit Bumrah. He's at 11. The second one is 13, Mohammad Shami, and you are at third, taking just 14 games to reach 50 wickets. So how does it feel to dominate in the red ball cricket?
See, to dominate playing cricket in any ball cricket is very to dominate in any form is crazy. But I will not say dominate, but I think it's all of hard work. As I said, the first answer, I think it's all about the base of a building, how
Yeah,
strong you are, and the basement is strong, and it all started at MR Pace Foundation, playing Chennai League in their whole conditions, going to Summer League tournaments, playing for Indian Airlines in Delhi. So all that mattered for me when it comes to Test match cricket, especially red ball cricket. We played a lot of red ball cricket. Even I remember the white ball was introduced only after 2007 World Cup, literally. And it comes to the shorter versions. Not the one day, but I'm talking about the T20 and 30 over and 40 overs and 40 overs, 440s and all that. But
right.
I clearly remember I played a lot of red ball cricket and I used to enjoy bowling in SG Test. We used to maintain it really well. You don't really need to use any external factor to reverse a SG cricket test bowl. The grounds were not that green then. Nowadays it's difficult to, even with the new saliva rule, and I think it's going to be very difficult to reverse the ball. But then I'm sure cricketers will come with something or other or some option to reverse. So I think red ball cricket is the right way to go. I think playing in whites, Test cricket is something which I love, and every cricketer loves Test cricket. It's just that
Right.
if you new youngsters uh, doesn't find a Test match an option, but maybe because of fear of failure, I think I have a sick feeling it's about short way to success of playing T20 and sleeping till 12 in the afternoon, following a certain routine. Nothing against, I'm not saying anything against it, but they can have the bread and butter. They have taken care. You have to
Yeah.
play only for 3 hours and you've taken care. But I think when it comes to representative cricket, not the club cricket, representation of your country, when you play test match, it's a right test of character, right test of fitness, patience. A lot of things comes in. So I'm very grateful that I had a great circle when I was playing cricket in Chennai and Delhi. Uh, I had a lot of senior cricketers who used to play for the country, who used to come and play local tournaments, which never happens now. Then a lot of cricketers used to actually play a lot of company matches and tournaments. Nowadays they don't get time. Either they are got niggles or some injuries or other. They somehow focus on. They say I got more family. Come on, Abel Paji to Gavaskar to Jimmy Amanat to Bishan Singh Sir to you name it. They all had family. Everybody has had girlfriends
Yes.
and wives and whatever. Everybody had their own limitation. Everybody was fighting, but they found time for the cricket and the training. So I always enjoyed bowling red cricket, and I still do. Even when we practice, yes, I am holding a white ball now because apparently this time first class might start with T20 and one days and then Ranji Trophy because of the COVID circumstances. So we are working on white ball now. But yes, anything to play cricket. But as you said, 14 matches, 50, not bad. In fact, I clearly remember that is not a great. Even though I said wow, it's not a great because I was 7 matches, 37 wickets. I remember. And the next four test matches in England was not that great because I took South Africa to uh, England, and I thought, oh,
Yeah.
its conditions are favorable. I have to just pitch the ball on the right spot and I'll get wickets. I didn't really plan the 2000 World Cup. I mean, not World Cup, sorry, the Test series, and I only bowled really well only on the last two Test matches. I didn't understand the England conditions, but later I did because I played county for Warwickshire, and maybe I should have played county uh, maybe when I was 1920. Maybe a couple
Right.
of years have really helped me. But I will request all the youngsters who's please go and play as many domestic cricket for some club in Australia and England, if possible, even New Zealand, because New Zealand is somewhere where we don't have not done that great in Test matches. So it will be great to see youngsters going there for a couple of seasons and learning from that and giving it back to them, like the IPL. A lot of people come
Yeah.
here and they give it back to us when they play against us. So it's very important for us to give it back to them.
Absolutely, absolutely. Let's talk about 2011 World Cup. You were not a part of the squad at the start of it when Praveen Kumar was named, but you were named as a replacement. And fortunately, you were in the playing 11 of the final. Take us through that.
It all started. I used to live in Bangalore back then, and I lived there for a reason because of the time there is first of all there was not many turf cricket happening in Kerala. Even when I played the 2007 World Cup, I remember practicing in tennis ball matches and playing in matting wicket, and that's one of the reason I completely shifted to Bangalore. I used to come and play for Ranji Trophy Kerala, but not any other practice. In Karnataka, the best thing happened is National Cricket Academy is in Bangalore. My house used to be in at that point of time I was in Koramangala, which is hardly any time from the ground. And later I shifted literally 800 meters from the ground. So I made sure if there is a glitch, I'm there. So like if we got any niggle, I had to literally take a flight from Kochi to Bangalore, then go all the way 1 hour to the NCA, wait for that opportunity. Here it was like सर दर्द है कोचिंग नहीं लेना किसी से मिलना है it was more like that. So and that too in a national cricket academy where even the legends of the game had to fly in and fly out, except Rahul and Anil Kumble. I think a lot of other people had to literally fly in. So I think I will thank that decision because I was in Bangalore and I was very close to the facility. I was in the 30 probables, and when I bad luck for Praveen, but a lot of people believe that you know maybe I didn't deserve to be in the 2011 World Cup finals, or maybe in the team itself in the 15. But a lot of cricketers actually know when if you touch their heart what I've done after my comeback 2009. I only got maybe couple or maybe 4 or 5 games. You know the statistics better. Just before the World
Yeah.
Cup, I had only played 2 1 days, which was against New Zealand, thanks to Ishant Sharma, because he had some family function at home. So Gautam Gambhir, I call him the Tiger. He was the captain, and I had an opportunity to play against New Zealand because he had an event. Gary Cusson asked me, Sri, would you like to play the 1 day series? And I was like, ooh, why not? So
Why
that's
not?
how I got the 1 day series. And the first match was in Guwahati, and we won that match. I got 3 for. And the second game in Jaipur, we won again. Of my bowling, I clearly remember I was bowling fast that match. I was bowling 140, 148, 149.6. I was bowling fast that match. I still have the records. When it comes to the fastest ball ever bowled, also, I don't want to question anybody. Srinath Bhai has bowled 154.6, but there are certain days which is not even
Right.
which is clocked but not spoken much about. Yeah, especially the 2011 World Cup first match against Bangladesh. I think your statistics. I don't want to say anything. Please have a look at that match of my
I
speed in that match, and especially in 2007, just after the World Cup, the 1 day series which we played, the balls which I was bowling, and one match I really want you to see is the Jaipur match when I played against New Zealand in
you
that
won't
game.
believe why I am from Jaipur only, so I was there witnessing that match as a spectator.
Yeah, because I remember Mills hit me for a six, and the next ball was crazy fast. So, and I got him bowled, and I got 2 matches, 4 wickets. So, why I'm sharing is this is a lot of people doesn't know why selectors picked me. It's not because of being a lucky guy or anything. It was because in the last match I played for the country, I had 2 matches, 7 wickets in white ball, and just after that in South Africa, the last Test match I played was a fifer. in Cape Town in one of the flatters. At that time, it was not that great to conditions for fast bowling, but I ended up getting 5. So if you look at it, uh, test match. So if you have to say 2 innings, so I think 6 wickets I got. So 6 plus 7 is 13 wickets of 3 matches. I think I totally deserved to be in that World Cup squad, and I think I did justice. It's just that I didn't get that many matches, but India won. For me, if you ask anybody who's actually played with me from tennis ball cricket, you will know I used to sit out to make sure that youngster who is in the team gets an opportunity, because your place is secured. You will anyway play the South Zone. And when it comes to Kerala statements, I don't know to name those cricketers. Who, if someone is watching this, will get understand that I used to tell, yeah, I'm not well today. Let him play. Because if I play, I know this youngster with all the performance under 23 and under 19 won't get an opportunity. So there are cricketers now who's playing for IPL. They are really grateful to me, but then I always request them not to tell the world, because if they are, I was just a messenger. So that's why I said that when it comes to that catch, bro, Vedant, it was your catch. It was every Indian's catch, every cricket lover's catch. I was just very fortunate. All the hard work paid off. And a huge thanks to Robin Singh sir and all the fielding coaches who actually taught me how to take a catch.
Second last question to you, Sri. September isn't far away. At 37, what are your plans and what will be your approach? The ban will be uplifted. You can play freely. What will be your approach?
It's a very very clear picture for me. It's as I've learned in my humble experience, it's just you have a very clear picture. I will not say I'm taking day by day and be very politically right. I have a very set goals. I know exactly where I'll be in 5 years time, and where I should be in 4 years time, where I should be in 3 years time, where I should be in 2 years time. It's like having a long term goal and cutting it short term.
Yeah.
And every day I know there's 24 hours. As I said earlier, I know my seconds. I need to respect that time. And the biggest miracle is our heartbeat. And the best
Right.
part is heartbeat doesn't. It's not. The fittest of the people, heartbeat is lesser. So it's
Right.
about knowing to control your heartbeat. And the way I say about goals is knowing to know exactly what you want. Telling the not people talk about universal power and the big secret book and the secret of universe, but it's all written long time back, not just in Bhagavad Gita, much before that. Whatever you want to achieve, use it as an experience. As you said, yes, I am 37, but when did that age come? The number never mattered. In the earlier
Absolutely.
stages, even the biggest of kings never went to the war field to win a battle. They went to the war field to win the war, to win the world. They didn't look at the king was never old at 37. The king never knew what was his age, even at 60. The king always waited for his son or the right person to come conquer him. King knew somebody will conquer him one day, but King made sure he does everything possible in his journey, and with his humble experience, whatever he earned is intact and not going down. So when there is a battle lost, or so many battle lost, he made sure every single day, every single moment, and as I said, 86,400 seconds a day. Now we know that
Yeah.
thousands of years back, it was only sunrise and sunset. So they used to name it as you are this many sunsets old or sunrise suns old, and that was the time. So for me, thanks to Leander Pace, thanks to Sachin Paji, thanks to Ashish Nehra for playing World Cup at the age of 38. There are so many people. Dhoni Bhai, even now the fittest. These are the youngsters I look up to when it comes to fitness. And at 47, Leander Bhai was winning Grand Slam. So he
Yeah.
can still win, but he's just giving way to the young ones because he feels it's time. I don't think it's time for me, and I missed 7 years of not just international cricket, 7 years of practice sessions, intense practice sessions, 7 years of um, being there in the center, not just playing for the country, helping my state, which I started last year. In fact, from the Punjab match, I could be with the team for 2 matches. Thanks to the association for supporting me all the way. Thanks to BCCI. Thanks to Gang Dada. In fact, even made a amazing response to one of the interviews also where he said, "When Srishant is clear, let him play." So there are so many positive those cricketers, Lashman Bhai to Viru Bhai to Irfan to Gautam Gambhir, Bajipa, Reina, Robin. A lot of cricketers spoke to me. So to all of these people, for me, and even Tinu Chetan told the other day in an interview when he became the coach, everybody wants to see back in action, but he has to go through. Thank God he said that, and I respect
Yeah.
the fact that he actually said he has to go through every way what an youngster go through to get into the team. I respect that, and that's what I'm aiming at. As you asked the question, I am going to tell you, I will play this season first class, and I will be there as one of the top wicket takers, not just in the country. Maybe when it comes to first class, people say we don't play for records. You know it. Every cricketer out there is always looking at the newspaper. Back then, now at the internet, oh my God, how much did he score? How many wickets did he get? All I can
Yeah.
say is I want to break that 50 wickets a season barrier. Hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, which I couldn't do because I only have 3 to 5 years of proper cricket left in me. In that 3 years will be crazy cricket. In 3 years, I want to make sure what I missed in 7 years, I can't get it back. What
Yeah.
I can get it back is not the question. What I can do so that the young generation, not just in cricket or not just any other sport, in life, everybody knows what I went through. I want them to have the faith that nothing should stop you. If you lose one skill, develop the other skill. Keep
Wow.
developing yourself, keep improving your personality, keep improving you as a human being, keep improving in every aspect of life. And especially in this COVID times, you have to use the time wisely, use the 24 hours wisely, sleep at the right time. I'm not saying sleep at 10 o'clock or sleep at 1 in the morning or sleep. Make your schedule, make your routine. Let not the world question you. You should not have regrets as long as you are taking your decision. The only way you can have regrets or blame someone else is when you follow someone else's decision, or it's about the choice. I'm very fortunate. I will share with you. I'm very fortunate to work with Tim Grover, who is the strength and conditioning coach with Michael Jordan and Kobe and you name it. And a lot of NFL players, current and past, and baseball players still work with him. So I've been working with him thanks to sometimes blessing in disguise. If this COVID wouldn't have happened, a person like me sitting in Kerala would have never dreamed of maybe meeting him one maybe someday somewhere, but not having a 1 month long class with him. So I was blessed to you know what he says, when you are playing, be unapologetic, be unforgiving, but off the field, you are a completely different person. So that's what I believe in. I want to how do I say, leave a legacy where, as you said, 7 match 37 wickets, 14 match 50 wickets is not a great record. You know, consistency. Telling the youngsters what I did is what I knew then, but now much more information is there out there.
Yeah.
Don't just listen to me, don't just hear me. Listen to every individual. Use, take that good things to them, apply, write it down. Yes, penning down and writing down is a completely different because it sends messages. When you write every day, it's like whether people like it or not, the best way to learn. When you read a book also, the best of quotation, I'm sure you will agree, when you write it down, you actually
Yeah.
it's print it in your head. So I just want to say that I have literally written my goals. And 2000 I had written a goal saying 2006 I'll play for the country, and I ended up playing for the country in 2005. So
Wow.
when nobody told me what to do, and I never call myself a self-made man. Uh, a lot of respect to my mom, a lot of respect to my dad, and my first Ashan Kalari in Malayalam we say, which is the nursery in the new generation. From that teacher to the drivers of the school bus to the rickshaw drivers who took me to the, and even the lifts which I took in Bangalore when I did not have a 2.50 money to pay the bus, because I used to be so strict with myself that I will not ask my parents when I'm playing cricket because they wanted me to study. So I had to make sure I manage my 500 rupees a month for a month, living all alone. So from there to where I am today, I think God's been extremely kind, Vedant. And so I have very, very. I'm sorry, I elaborated my answer, most of the answers, because I like to open up this way rather than just being, yeah, okay,
We respect.
yeah. So I just want to say 50 first class wickets is my first goal. For that, I think the first match which I play in Ranji Trophy, I want to make sure I end up getting a fifer surely in the first innings and then take it from there. And but I want to make sure, I think sky is not the limit, because I have missed
I'm
seven
sure
years, missed
you will do.
7 years, and I don't want to miss anything more.
You will do it. Shribai, my last question to you before we move to the rapid fire round. If I ask you to make your all time IPL 11, what will it be? You can
Uh,
include a of four overseas players.
okay, very difficult. Four overseas, I'll say straight away. I'll have
All right.
AB.
All right.
I'm current form. Current form. I'm saying AB, Andrew Russell,
Okay. Okay.
Andrew Andrew Russell, and Shoaib Akhtar, full throttle, not going in and out, full throttle. Okay,
Okay.
it's just one match. Okay, it's just one match. So Shoaib will kill it. Okay,
Okay.
Shoaib Akhtar. Um, but Pakistanis are not allowed in IPL, so
Yeah.
Shoaib got
Yeah.
out of the option. Sorry, Shoaib,
Yeah.
we love your fast bowling, but yeah, uh, country first. So De Villiers, Andrew Russell,
Right.
very difficult. Narayan
Okay.
as a spinner, and one more all rounder who's doing really well. Very difficult. Oh, so many options, man.
How about
All
Kyron
time,
Pollard?
all time. No, sorry, who?
How about Kyron Pollard?
No, no, no. He's not in my 11 because he's not consistent. I don't want somebody who's not consistent.
Okay. Okay.
Bro, a lot of people know very. I'm even including you. You have only known me from maybe today. You would have understood me better.
Yeah.
There is much more to me. I'm not what the media wrote about me. So I am a person who believes people can be perfect. It's not a lot of people teach you to be close to perfection. No, you can be perfect. You have to make sure you make that effort. That's what my dad
I
told us. You make mistakes.
agree, but
You might look
you
like the biggest stupid. You might be the biggest failure, whatever, but you still keep learning. You have to be humble even in your failure. Be humble even in your victory. So that's something. So Pollard, I love him. I love his attitude. He wins matches, but when it comes to consistent, and there's only one game for me, and I cannot take the chance of putting a
yeah.
Pollard in instead of AB or because it's an all-time. I will say Jack Scullis,
Wow.
fourth
Wow.
one.
So these are the four people. One is a middle order batsman, Jack Callis. Then you
Yeah.
have an all rounder in place of Andre Russell. You have one spinner as Sunil Narine. And then you have a pacer as well.
Yes, and my team will be captain Saurav Ganguly any day,
Wow. Okay.
because he's a leader. Even if it's test, even if it's one day, even it's a T20, for me it will be Ganguly. It's just that
Okay.
at that age he couldn't get those many years in IPL. But Dada, if IPL had started in 90s, Tendulkar and Dada would have been unstoppable. So Dada and Tendulkar opening.
Okay.
One down will be Virat Kohli.
Okay.
Two down will be Rohit Sharma.
Okay.
Three down for me right now.
Yes.
Sorry,
Third down, AB de Villiers.
AB de Villiers. Four down will be Callis.
Okay.
Five down, there's only one guy, bro. There's only
Mahendra
one
Singh.
keeper batsman. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Dhoni को पकड़ना मुश्किल है नामुमकिन है. So Dhoni bhai and the rest.
Okay.
And we have seven now. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, I need one Indian bowler. Um, I know it's pretty cheeky, but I will take Anil Kumble because he still has the best bowling figures as a spinner. And
Wow.
he's with Ganguly being the captain and Sachin Pai being around and Callis and even for Narayan in that team, when Kumble is there, he's not just a cricketer, he's an engineer.
Wow.
So,
That would be a great 11 if it actually turns out and we play.
it's going to be yeah. So I think Narayan, Kumble, Callis. Oh my God, man, that's a crazy 11. And I will have Zahir Bhai. I'm so sorry. I mean, that's 11, right? So Sachin,
You have
Ganguly,
Kohli,
Sachin, Virat,
Virat,
AB,
Rohit.
Jack Scullis, sorry, Rohit, Jack Scullis,
AB de Villiers.
I read MS Dhoni, Narayan was sorry, Russell,
Yeah.
Andrew Russell,
No.
Kumble and Zahir Khan.
All right, all right. Okay. Let's move to the rapid fire round. I have a few questions. The first one on your way. I will be giving you five batsmen. You need to rate them according to your preference. So you need
Okay.
to do a ascending order. One is Callis, Ponting, Sachin, Virat, and Sangakkara.
So first I'll say, man, number one is Sachin.
Okay.
Number two, I'll say it in descending order because that's better for me. So I'll say Sachin Paji number one.
Okay.
You took Lara's name, right?
No, no. It's Jack Callis, Ricky Ponting, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, and Sangakkara.
Sachin
Five
Tendulkar,
players.
Sachin Tendulkar,
Okay.
Jack Scullis,
All right.
Virat Kohli,
Okay.
Ricky Ponting, Sangakkara.
Okay.
But Sangakkara might actually qualify for the fourth and Ricky Ponting fifth because Australia.
Okay. Okay. Now it comes to the bowler bit. Five bowlers: Zahir, Kumble, Bumrah, Kuldeep, and Jawagal Srinath.
Kumble,
Okay.
Zahir,
Okay.
Bumrah,
Okay.
Javagal Srinath. No, Javagal Srinath. Javagal Srinath will come before Bumrah. Sorry. Javagal Srinath. Kumble.
Okay.
Sorry, I will tell you. Kumble, Javagal Srinath, Zahir Khan, Bumrah, Chahal. In fact, there's an
All right.
option for Chahal. I'll put Kuldeep
Okay. Okay. I will buy that.
because I would like
If you
to.
get
Kuldeep scores runs, so I would want Kuldeep to bat. And I love China man.
all right. If you get
And
a
Kumble is
chance
there as
to
leg spinner. Why would I have Chahal?
okay, okay. So, would you like to play IPL again? If yes, for which team?
I would love to play any format in my hands. White ball, red ball, pink ball, orange ball. I don't know. Maybe it might come in future. So I just want to play or in any team possible, and I would love to play. In any team. In fact, I was telling about Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings because Kerala, a lot of Malayalis actually follow RCB and Chennai, and Chennai is where I played a lot of cricket, and there's a lot of misunderstanding between me and Chennai Super Kings for some reason. Just because I said I don't like the yellow color, people think I hate Chennai Super Kings. I don't hate at all because yellow. In this interview would have been brilliant. People should actually listen to this because yellow is only the reason of the 2003 World Cup part. Otherwise, Guru Ayyappan to Krishna is Lord Yellow. So again, I would love to play for any IPL team. And share and learn. Not just share, but learn a lot because, especially because I'm making a comeback in first class cricket. A lot of things have changed in cricket. A lot of strategies have changed. A lot of rules have changed. The mindset of the cricketers have changed. So I want to be a sponge and learn and observe the best and squeeze out what is not needed, which was not there then. So I would love to play for any team and looking forward, bro. Looking forward to play this first class and I don't want to get anything which I don't deserve. So to deserve that, you got to prepare to succeed. People say prepare to succeed. I say the will to prepare to succeed, and the will is really strong and like a fighting fighter, like a caged 7 years, a caged tiger. That's why I call it. Like the way Ramji sir says, you are a caged tiger waiting for the prey.
And you will succeed. Last question on your way, Srishant. Who is the current Srishant in the Indian squad?
There is only one Srishant, and I think it's me. And the current Srishant is Srishant, who is right now giving an interview to Vedant. And I don't want anybody to be Srishant. I want to be their best version. And every individual is fighting their battle. And I believe every individual out there, not just the cricketers, not just any sports people. As I said earlier, you said about the goal, just one goal for me to make sure I am doing my very best to be my best, not anyone else, and show that leaving a legacy can be done by anybody who believes in themselves. That is the most important. You can have the best coaches, you can have the best facilities, you can be born rich, you can be born poor, doesn't matter. You should use the circumstances to your ability. That's what people say. You should use your circumstances. I say use your ability to create your circumstances, create your circle. You can and you will, and you are born for greatness. There is no second thought. And they say plan A, plan B, plan C. No. Plan A, believe that it will work out. There's no plan B. plan A will work. Plan A will work. That's the way you should look at life. And I am sure who are listening to it will connect. Never ever doubt. Will it work? What if it doesn't? A lot of motivation speakers say, if it doesn't work, you should always have plan B. I say, the moment you think about a plan B, plan A is end up.
True.
Have faith, go for it, learn from it, come back, go for it again. Learn from it, go for it again. Like the legends, who are you ask? Let it be of any age, let it be under 14 girl to a under 19 girl to a boy or a girl, doesn't matter, in any profession. I was very fortunate to speak to a lot of sports field, different sports field, Olympic gold medalists, to a lot of people, thanks to Tim and everybody. And what I've learned, whatever humble experience I learned, is that I would love to share. Always remember, every individual out there, I started this interview with the same, have 24 hours. Every individual out there has 24 hours. What they do with the 24 hours, not when you're on the screen, when they are off the screen, when the lights are not there, there is no cameras on them, when there is nothing around them, when there is there's lots of lack of motivation, there is nobody next to you to motivate you, that person, girl, boy, will go succeed on what they do at that point of time. What they do with the 86,400 seconds is what matters.
It was a pure learning curve, Sribhai. Thank you so much for speaking to us. It's been a pleasure talking to you, for taking out time.
And all the best, As I said earlier, I did see your app, and keep rocking. It's a great app, and whoever is watching, please do subscribe and learn, and not just from me, and a lot of people out there. And there are much better legends out there who will be on this app also. So God bless, and Vedant, keep doing what you do, and may God bless you and your family, and keep shining. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sribhai. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Pleasure talking to you. Bye-bye. I think the first major thing which happened in your life was 2012 Under-19 World Cup. Take us through that memory of a night before the World Cup final and night after World Cup final.
That day was really amazing that we won the semi-finals and we were into the finals.